Hi everyone, welcome back to SK World. Today in this tutorial, we are going to talk about the basic Selenium browser commands. These commands are essential for automating interactions with the browsers such as opening web pages, navigating between them and closing the browser. Let's explore these simple but powerful commands in Selenium. In previous tutorial, I have explained about the automate login into the application in which I have discussed about the assertions used in which compare the expected and actual result. In this tutorial, I will explain the Selenium browser commands step by step. So let's begin. Create a new file in a project. Right click on this project folder, new, and then click on Python file. Enter the file name browser underscore commands and browser underscore commands and then click on Python file. Let's import WebDriver. Use this from Selenium WebDriver.com and then initialize the browser. Copy this, paste here. Next, we need to maximize and minimize the window in a browser. I will explain how to maximize and minimize the browser in a Selenium. Copy this URL. First, we need to navigate to this URL. Copy this URL and use URL is equal to browser. For navigating this URL, we need to use travel.get and use this URL here. Now, we need to maximize and minimize the window. If we run this script, let's run this script. Right click on this file and then click on run browser commands. If we open this application, open application and close. Let's add some wait here, time dot slip and 5 seconds. Again, run this script. There you can view the application open, but this is not maximized window. So in Selenium, we can use the driver dot maximize window. Now this browser open this application URL in a maximize window. Let's run this script. First navigate to this URL and maximize the window. Then you can open this browser in full screen. So you need to use this driver dot full screen window. Now this browser page will be open in a full screen window. Open in a full screen window. Here, if I add some weights, so you can better understand, time dot select, use 5 seconds. Again, run this script. Now this browser will open the application in full screen mode. Here you can view the application open in full screen. Next, I will show you how to navigate to the previous and next page in Selenium. Suppose if you click on this forget password and you want to click on this back, I will show you how you can use this. Right click. First we navigate to this URL, which is forget your password. right click, inspect, find the locator. Here you can view the ID and see name as well not available here. We can use the CSS selector for navigating for locating this element. Right click, copy, and then click on copy selector. Let's remove this. Driver dot find element by dot. Here you can view the different locators. CSS selector ID is not available and name as well not available. So we can use CSS selector and then enter the value of CSS selector here. Next, we need to look at this element, which is forget your password. Right click on this link, inspect, scroll down, inspect. Here you can view the ID and name. Both locators are not available. So we will use here CSS selector. Right click, copy, and use this copy selector. Here change driver dot maximize window and empty time 3 seconds. Here same, here 3 seconds. Next, we need to locate this element, forget password. So we'll use driver dot find element by dot. Here you can view the different locators in a Selenium, CSS selector, ID, link text. If you want to click on any link, you can use link text and partial link text. Now we will locate the forget password link by using CSS selector. So click on this CSS selector and enter the CSS selector menu here. And then we need to click on this link. So we will use dot click. Add wait here time dot slip and 3 seconds. If we click on this link, next we need to click on this previous page. So we will use driver dot back and then add time dot slip for better understanding and 3 second wait. And then we click on this forward button, driver dot forward. By using forward, you can go to the next page. By using driver dot back, that means you can go to the previous page. Let's run this script. You can use run browser commands, or either simple you can use this run button. This browser commands is the file name. Click on this. In this scenario, first navigate to this URL, orange HRM, and maximize the window, and then click on forget password, forget your password, and then click on this previous button, and then click on forward button, and then close the browser. For better understanding, you can add here some wait time dot slip 3 seconds. Let's run this script again. First navigate to this URL and click on the forget your password link. After click on this link, it will click on the back button and then click on the forward button. Same here, you can use the driver dot refresh, that is used for refresh the page. Driver dot refresh and here time dot slip 3 seconds. Let's run this script. Navigating to this URL orange HRM, click on the forget link In this scenario, after the forget button, it will refresh the page. Here you can view the refresh page. Refresh page. Next, you can close the browser after 3 seconds at driver.close. Driver.close basically used for close the browser and end the session. That's again this script. In this scenario, after completing this script, the browser will close because we use driver.close. Click on this back button and forward, and then refresh the page and then close the browser after 3 seconds, because we use here 3-second wait. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to SK World for more tutorials on Selenium and S automation. See you in the next video.